In this Inkscape tutorial, I'll show you how to create shapes, how to manipulate, move, scale and rotate. So this Inkscape window, we can see the toolbar on the left where you could choose rectangles, ellipses, pens, pencils, Bezier curves and so on. So you can draw whichever shape that you choose. Now we are drawing a rectangle. We do see handles at the top, so circular handles and rectangle handles, which gives us more options. So as you can see, each shape comes in with handles. It also comes in with another precise control at the top where you can specify the number of corners, a specific shape size. You could choose the width and the length of rectangles, the number of sides of a star, or the number of sides of a polygon. So it gives you lots of control. Basically you can try out and get a precise number. You could spiral, draw a spiral, that's the Bezier curve, with many options at the top. Each side you choose a shape, it gives you more options at the top. We've got text, we can manipulate the text, can move, scale, draw more options as we learn later on. We can resize, increase the size of the shape. So as you click on the shape, you can see 8 arrows appearing. So that's how we resize shapes, and it does appear in every shape. Every time you draw an ellipse or a rectangle, you can use the arrows. We also see blue fill and an outline stroke on the periphery of the shape. So that's the outline. It's called the stroke in Inkscape. So it's just nomenclature. We can also rotate, as you can see. So if you click twice, those arrows appear on the sides, and you can rotate, you can move. I'm just changing the size, the width and the length at the top. So you could hold Control to preserve the original ratio. So if you've created your rectangle with a specific side at the beginning, you can just maintain by holding Control. You can change the sharpness of the edge, as we've seen the handles. The circular handle and the rectangle handle gives you more control basically to manipulate the shape. You can undo or redo actions if you press Ctrl Z, or just use the edit menu to do undo or redo actions. Again, it's just showing you how to rotate. So as we said, you click twice, you click first, you'll see the 8 arrows, and then you click twice again, and then it should gives you more options to rotate and shear the shape. So I'm just rotating the shape. We can also draw on the Bezier curve. That's one of the most important tools in Inkscape. It gives us many options to draw any, for example, designing for logos, and basically you could design anything with the Bezier curve. It's one of the most important tools in Inkscape, as we learn later on. So there's a difference between path and shape. So path basically is a collection of nodes, whereas a shape, Inkscape recognizes as a shape. If you draw a rectangle or an ellipse, it's recognized as a particular shape, whereas nodes can be transformed in however you like. You can edit, change. With the shape, we can see with only 2 or 3 nodes, so we cannot change, whereas now we've changed into path. We can manipulate and transform it in however we like. So you could start with a rectangle and come up with weird looking shapes. So that's it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.